Welcome students. Now in this video we are going to see the numerical control machine tool. Okay, and in that definitely we are talking about the machine control unit, or this is also known as computer processing unit. Now see, as we have seen in the first video about the limitations of the normal machining methods. So to overcome those limitations, so what we are having in the advanced machining methods, so we are going to study the advanced machining method like NC, that is numerical control, CNC, computer numerical control. Then we are also having the direct numerical control, then adaptive numerical controls. Okay, we are having group technology, we are having flexible machining system, manufacturing system, then we are having the cellular manufacturing or flexible manufacturing cell. Like these are the integral or integrated tools of the computer aided manufacturing actually. So these things definitely we are having in our advanced machining methods. And in that, let's start with the numerical control. So here we are going to start the numerical control. The numerical control machines. Okay, so what are this numerical control machine? So what is mean by numerical control? So see here, if the different axis of the machine tool or different axes of the machine tools are controlled for their movement, different axes of the machine tools are controlled for their movement by using some number or numeral, it is known as the numerical control machine or machine tool. If the different axes of the machine tool are controlled for their movement by using some number or numeral, it is known as the numerical control machine or machine tool. Okay, now what are the parts of this NC machine? So that's the thing we are going to discuss. The parts of this NC machine. So if we write the various parts of this NC machine, then first number we are having the MCU or CPU. MCU or CPU. What is MCU or CPU? Machine control unit or central processing unit like the computer. Second one, we are having the drive units. The drive units. Third part, we are having the feedback control system. Fourth, we are having the reading systems. The reading systems. And fifth, if you want to add, you can add the manual control. The manual control. So these are the parts of numerical controlled machine. Okay, and in that parts we are going to discuss about this MCU in this video. Okay, so MCU is what? Machine control unit. It is a machine control unit, and what actually it is doing? So it is behaving like the brain of the human beings. Okay, so this is the mastermind. It is a brain. It is behaving like the brain of the human being. How? So what it is doing, that it is taking the information from the input systems. Okay, so whatever the program, in the program, whatever the information we have given to that computer is get by this MCU, machine control unit. So whatever the information or data is given to that, so it will take this data from the input devices and analyze those data or this information and produce the output command or give the results to the output units. Okay, so machine control units are what? So these are nothing but the brain of the machines actually, which are taking the information, analyze this information and producing the results. Of course, if you talk about the machining, here the aim of our machining or all this thing is that we are going to move the axis. So whatever the information we have provided by the programming, it will take by this MCU, analyzed by the MCU, and it is giving information as a command or as an output result to move the required axis from one position to the required destination or another position. So that is the thing is done by this machine control unit. That is the function of MCU. Now see, whatever the information which we have given in the programming, it is in the decimal. But machine is not knowing this language. Machine is knowing only either 0 or 1. It is knowing only binary language or machine level language, or we can call it as the low level language. Whatever the language we are giving into the program is a decimal or high level language, but machine knows only low level language, that is either 0 or 1. So to convert this high level language into low level language, there is a mediator there which is known as arithmetic logic unit. So it is the part of this MCU to convert the high level language into low level language. So this is the information about this MCU. Receives the information, analyze the information and produce the output results or output command to move the axis. Actually indirectly or directly, what we can say, to move the axis from one position to the another position. So this is about the machine control unit. Thank you.